Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today I'm gonna go through walk through with you on how to use GoDaddy add DNS hosting in the domain controller to add your own custom hosting to the GoDaddy and to obtain the name server that GoDaddy can provide you. And you can use this name server records to point with your domain controller that you purchase from maybe other domain controller or from your country domain controllers. And why do you need to use it? It's sometimes when you don't have your name server yourself and your domain controller does not have this name server's capability that they can only provide you with the registration of the domain, but you need to set up the name server and you need to provide the name server IP and the name server domain name to the domain controller. For example, in my case, in my countries, when you want to purchase the domain with our countries by the end, like .com.kh, we need to provide them with the name server domains and the IP address to that, and with the domain that we want to register with our ministry, so then they can point it out for us to use or any domain controller name server as our choice. So in this case, I don't have any domain name server for myself, so I'm gonna use GoDaddy for this one. Okay, you can start by accessing to your GoDaddy account, and then you just scroll down when you log in, you see the domain list, and you can click on manage all, and then it will take you to the domain listing. And here you can see the menus, and if you go to DNS menu, and then you can click here, and then you can see the add DNS hosting sub menu. You can click there, and it will take you to the adding the DNS hosting page, where you can put your custom domains that you purchase from your domain controller. So any domain name from what you have. In my case, for example, I would use .com.kh, and when I create this one and click next, I would get the two name servers that provided to me by this GoDaddy. So then I can use this name server to give to my domain controller, so they can set up the name server pointing for me. And if you wonder what is the IP address behind this name server, if your domain controller need it, you can use this ping command, like for this one, to ping to one name server to get the IP, and then you can also ping to the other name server to get the IP address as well for this one. So then you can have both name server names and IP address of the name server if your domain controller require you with both information to be able to point. And here you can also manage your DNS record, like a record, CNAME for your website, and so on. You can also have a full capability here, the same as the domain that you purchase from GoDaddy as well. So here you can see all the DNS listings, records from add CNAME, name server, and a record. And you can add any DNS records that you prefer to manage for this page as well, like just putting as usual the way that you manage with GoDaddy. Yep. Yeah. And once you ready from managing your DNS, you can go back to the domain list. If you go to your domain listing, you will see this custom domain or DNS hosting domain that you just added sitting next to the other domain that you purchased with GoDaddy as well. So there you can manage all at once, either you purchase with GoDaddy or the one you add just DNS hosting. Yep. But be mindful that for DNS hosting to work, you need to wait until your domain controller point it. So once they point it properly, you can use it. Okay. Thank you for watching. Hope this helps you, and please like and subscribe. Thank you.